Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. How's everyone doing today? Today we're going to do a quick unboxing from Diamond Art Club called Faye by Scot Howden. Okay. It always comes in a beautiful shiny box. This one is round diamonds because it's got a circle and it's like a pink color. So that's how you know when it's round. Okay, and then it's got a scan me unlock for 10% off on the box. And it also tells you how to diamond paint, how it works step by step, what's inside the kit. All right, so let's open this baby up. Okay, let's see what's in the box. So we've got a toolkit and of course the painting. And it always comes with 2 stickers. This one is a small sticker, okay, and this one I just peel and I put that one underneath the box because I tend to pile my boxes one on top of the other, and that way I know what painting this is without going crazy. And I also label it. Okay, so I don't know if you can see that, but let me see if I can turn it this way so you can see it better. So it's right underneath the box, and please excuse my nails. Okay, they're a mess. All right, so here we have the toolkit. Let's open this baby up. So it comes with the diamond pen. Let's put this over here. So it comes with resealable bags just in case you don't have the containers with you, and you could put the drills in here. Okay, and it comes with 2 grips, pen grips that helps with your hands, especially if you have arthritis. It comes with 2 placers. It comes with the heart container with 2 waxes. I believe there are 2 in here. Yep. I love these little containers. And it comes, look at this pretty washi tape. Very pretty color. It's like a purple, purple. And of course, look at this beautiful cover minder. It's a very, very pretty flower. And of course, the tray. And it comes with a stopper. It basically prevents the drills from spilling. Okay, so let's put all this back in here. And let's put this out of the way. Okay, Diamond Art Club, do what makes you sparkle. They always come in a plastic bag to protect the canvas while it's traveling. And you keep the bag if you want. That's what I do. After I finish, I put the painting in here if I'm not going to work on it. So let's get this baby out of here. Move that out of the way. Let's get the drills. So what's inside? So here we have the thank you for your purchase. Okay, tips and tricks, what's included in the kit, VIP Facebook group, and step-by-step instructions. Thank you 10, and you get 10% off your next purchase. And inspiration is just a few taps away. For the iPhone and Android, 20% off your first purchase through the app. So you have to download the app. Okay, and it comes with a big sticker. This is where I put in my logbook. So Faye by Scot Howden. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. Maybe not. Start date. You put the start date, the end date. It's a round. And these are the colors or the stickers, the pre-cut stickers. And you put these on your container. Okay, pretty cool. All right. Of course, these are all the colors. Now the drills now have a sticker and it tells you the name of the artwork. It's called Faye. So just in case you separate them, you'll know that this belongs to that painting. All right. So let's turn it this way first because you can with this kind of canvas because the canvas is very, very soft. It's designed to prevent wrinkling and fraying, and it's smooth like butter. And it's made from a heavy-duty waterproof tarpaulin fabric for extra strength. So you're able to do this, okay? Oh, let's turn it this way. Wow. Absolutely beautiful, guys. Okay, so let's look at the top. It tells you, Do What Makes You Sparkle by Diamond Art Club. And it's got 2 legends. One legend on the left-hand side on the top. and the other legend is on the right hand side on the bottom. Okay, and then on the bottom it always has the picture. It tells you it's from DAC. It's called Faye. It's 20 inches by 26 inches, and it's 50.7 centimeters by 65.8 centimeters. It's by Scot Howden, Diamond Art Club. Okay, take 10% off your next order. It has a lifetime warranty. So Diamond Art Club has a 30-day money-back guarantee. It has a lifetime warranty. It has a free diamond spill insurance, and it also has a 10% cashback rewards with every order, which is pretty cool. Okay, so let's look at this beautiful painting. And just a little bit about Scot. Scot is an artist from England, and he enjoys creating and painting fantasy and mythical pieces. And he also has 2 other pieces at Diamond Art Club, which is Close Encounters, and it's that beautiful alien. And the other one is Captain. Instead of Captain, it's Captain Jack, because it's a cat. It's like, I think it's a pirate. But anyway, okay. So look at how gorgeous this beautiful. She's a fairy. She's got this beautiful golden locks, beautiful long hair, and then it looks like it's a very nice day. Look at how beautiful the sky. It's got like blues and whites. It's just very pretty sky. And then you got leaves. So, and she's surrounded by these beautiful butterflies, and she actually has one on her hand that looks like she caught or landed on her hand, and then another big butterfly here. So she's surrounded by greenery. She's surrounded by beautiful, colorful butterflies, and then she has a crown of beautiful flowers. Okay, and obviously she's a fairy because you could tell by the ear. She has great makeup on. Just very, very beautiful, guys. This painting, if you look at it, it looks like it has a little bit of both. It has confetti and blocking, which I like, and it's a good size. It's not that huge, and she's beautiful. She's absolutely beautiful. The only thing is I just went on the website and I couldn't find her, so I don't know if she was a limited edition or she sold out or they're bringing her back. I have no idea, guys. But anyway, yeah, she's absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so let's see how sticky. Okay, super sticky, very clear. Let me bring her up so you can see. Let me start from the top. Look at that beautiful flower, the crown of flowers on her head, and then that beautiful face. Okay, very, very clear. Let's see if you can see. I'm trying to see if you can see the butterfly. See the butterfly? And you got another big butterfly there, and then her golden locks, and then of course another beautiful butterfly. Okay, so let's look at the colors. Let's put her over there. And sorry about the noise. And by the way, the drills are 100% resin for exceptional color. Okay. So let me lay them out, and I'm going to cut out also the ABs to separate them. Okay. Okay, so first one, 161. This is a very pretty blue. So put them here. 208. It's a purple. 209. Just a lighter purple. 310, believe it or not, this is it, guys, of 310. That little bit. 327, another purple. 356, it's like a apricot, peachy color. And 369 is a very light green, very pretty green, actually. Okay, can you guys see that? Let me move this a little bit over here. All right, next row. The next one is 407. 543 to like a very, very light brown. 597, very pretty blue, because you guys know I love all kinds of blues and greens. 598, very, very pretty blue. And 647 is a gray. So you have 739, it's like an off-white. 746, another off-white, but just a little lighter than that one. 754, peachy color maybe. 758. 761, looks like a light pink. And 772, a very, very light, pretty green. Okay, this one's 807 to blue. 828, very, very pretty blue. 829, it's like a green. 830, it's another green. And 831, another lighter green. Okay, we got 2 packets of 831. 890, another green. So here we have lots of greens. Here's another green, 895. This is a very pretty dark green. And 898 looks like a chocolate. This was 915, sort of like a pinky color, pinky reddish color, or purplish. 921, it's like an orange. 948. 951, it's a lighter color. And 987 is a green. Okay. Okay, here we have 3023, which is a gray. 3024, just a lighter gray. 3045, it's sort of like a mustard color. There's 2 packets of those. And 3046 is like a very pretty yellow. I like that yellow. Can you see that, guys? Yeah, I think we could do one more row. So we have 3346, another green. And 3347 is 2 packets of this very pretty green. And here we have a lighter green, 3348. Wow, that's a lot, lots of greens in here, guys. And blues, greens and blues and pinks. 3607 is a pink. 3608 is a lighter pink. And then you have 3713, even a lighter pink. 3756, a very, very pretty light blue. Okay, so I'm gonna move these out of the way, but as you can see, we have purples, we have blue greens, we have lots of greens and some pinks. Okay, I just don't have the space, so I have to move them out of the way, sorry. Okay, here we have 3766, it's a very pretty blue. 3778, it's like a peachy. 3771, it's just like another peachy, tannish, orangey, just a little lighter than this one. Okay, and then we have 3811, very, very pretty blue. 3829, it's like a mustard color. 3853, it's like an orangey. Here you have 3854, a lighter orangey. 3855, it's like a yellow. Yeah, it's like a yellow. And 3865 is white. Okay, and then let's move these out of the way. And let's bring her back. But let's quickly look at there's 4 ABs. So we have 126, which is a very, very pretty purple, like a lilac purple. And then 128 AB, it's a very, very light pink. And then you have 129 AB, which is like a yellow. And 141 is white and AB. Okay, so there's 4 ABs in this beautiful painting, guys. Perfect size, I think. Let's move that way. Okay, so let's look for the ABs. So the number, this was 126, which is number 1. So we just got to look for number 1. Let's see, and look for purple. So if you move it here, there's one there. So it looks like the butterfly has ABs, which means Aurora Borealis. It's just got a coating that makes the drill even more shinier than the regular ones. Okay, here's more number 1. So that's AB there, AB on the butterfly. More on the butterfly here. Anything here on her face or her hair? Nope. It looks like it's on the butterflies because it's there and not down here. But there's some ones in this butterfly. Okay, so let's just move that over there. It's going to look very pretty with the butterflies being very shiny. Okay, and then 128 is number 2. So you look for number 2. And a color similar to this, and it's right here. It's, again, it looks like so far it's going to be on the flowers. Number 2. No, not on her. Oh, on this on this butterfly down here. Okay, so far the ABs are on the flowers and the butterfly. Okay, this one is 129, and if you look at the legend, is number 3, and wherever you see number 3, none there. Okay, let's move this over here. 3, where are you? 333. Oh, mamma mia, where's 3? Right here. It's on the flowers. Okay. And the last one is white, is number 4, which is 141, and it's right here. Again, on the flowers. Anything in the background? Nope. So on the butterfly, 4s, and 4s down here. Okay, so it looks like all the ABs, the extra shine, is going to be on the butterflies and flowers. But if you would add more ABs or sparklers, where would you add them? Would you add it on her eyes, some on her hair, maybe some give her some highlights, and even some on the leaves? Why not? Okay, so that's about it, guys. I hope you love her. I think she's absolutely magical and stunning, and that's it. So have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the day, and thank you very much, guys. Bye-bye. Be safe.